Make a great choice today with the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.